Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer expenses receipts using Expensify for investors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download the Expensify app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. To add a receipt, tap the scan button located at the bottom of the screen. Position your receipt in front of the camera. The app will automatically capture the receipt using the camera. Ensure that the entire receipt is visible in the frame before scanning. After scanning, Expensify will process the receipt and extract the relevant information. Review the extracted details for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the amounts or dates. You can also add tags or categories to organize your expenses better. Once you're satisfied with the information, tap Save. The receipt will now be stored in your expense. To view your saved receipts, navigate back to the dashboard. Select the Receipts tab to see all your uploaded documents. If you want to submit expenses for reimbursement, go to the Reports section. Create a new report and add the relevant receipts to it. Specify the date range for the expenses if needed. After adding all required receipts, you can add any. When everything looks good, tap Submit to send the report. Check for any notifications confirming the submission status. You can track the progress of your reimbursement in the app. This streamlined process makes tracking your expenses with Expensify easy and efficient for investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.